In this video tutorial, we are going to learn tangent constraint. Tangent constraint is used to create tangency relationship between curves or circles with line segments at a single point. We are going to apply the tangent constraint to the circles and then a circle with a line. To apply the tangent constraint to the circles, first we have to select both circles. By clicking to select the first one, hold Shift on keyboard, click to select another one. Move the mouse to right side and click Tangent Constraint. The tangent constraint are appeared. Click the center point of circle. Drag to move. You noticed that all circles are tangency and touched. For the line and circle, select both of them. Click Tangent Constraint. Now they are tangency. Although I click the line endpoint and drag to move, it's still touching. Click the center point of circle and drag to move. They are still touching to each other.